Hey everyone, welcome to Easy English with PJ. I'm PJ. I'm happy you're here today. Before we start, this video is for English learning and general information only. In a real emergency, always follow local laws and professional instructions. So imagine this. Your 2-year-old is playing with your phone. Suddenly, the police knock on your door. Your heart stops. What happened? Nothing happened. Your child called 911 by accident. Today you'll meet Maya and Sarah. Maya's daughter Emma called 911 yesterday while playing. The police came. Maya was very embarrassed. Sarah is a teacher and a mom. She knows how to teach young children about 911. She taught her son David when he was 3 years old. This is a real conversation about child safety, real advice you can use. Let's listen.
Sarah, something bad happened yesterday.
Oh no, what happened?
Emma called the police.
The police? How?
She played with my phone. She called 911.
Oh no. Did the police come?
Yes, 2 police officers came to my house.
That's scary.
I was making lunch. Then someone knocked on the door. I opened it. 2 police officers.
What did they say?
They said, "We got a 911 call. Is everything okay?"
What did you do?
My face was so red. I said, "I'm so sorry. My daughter is 2 years old. She played with my phone."
Were they angry?
No, they were nice. But one officer said, 911 is only for emergencies, real emergencies.
That's right.
He said, when people call 911 for fun, we can't help other people with real problems.
That's true. They need to help people with real emergencies.
I felt so bad. The officer talked to Emma. He said, 911 is not a toy.
Did Emma understand?
I don't know. She was very quiet. Maybe she was scared.
She's only 2. She's too young to understand.
I know. That's why I want to ask you. David is 4, right?
Yes, he's 4.
How do you teach him about 911?
Well, it's not easy. We want children to know how to call, but we don't want them to call when it's not an emergency.
Yes, that's the problem. When should they call?
I started teaching David when he was 3. 2 is too young.
3 is better?
Yes, at 3, they can understand more.
How did you start?
I used simple examples, real things he can understand.
What examples?
I said, what do you do if mommy falls down and doesn't wake up?
That's a good example.
Yes, it's clear. He can picture it in his head.
What else?
I said, what do you do if you see fire?
Fire in the house?
Yes, fire is an emergency.
So you give clear examples, not just call when there's an emergency.
Right. Children don't understand the word emergency. It's too difficult.
That makes sense. What are the main emergencies?
3 things. Someone is hurt very bad, there's a fire, or a stranger tries to hurt you.
3 things. That's easy to remember.
Yes, if someone is bleeding a lot, call 911. If there's fire, call 911. If a stranger tries to take you, call 911.
Got it. But how do you teach small problems and big problems?
Good question. That's hard. Children think everything is big.
Yes, like when their toy breaks.
Exactly. So I give examples. I say, if you fall and get a small cut, is that an emergency?
What does David say?
At first, he said yes.
Everything is an emergency for kids.
Right. So I explained. I said, a small cut? Mommy can help. I can put a bandage. We don't call 911. But if you're bleeding a lot and I can't stop it, then we call 911.
So you show the difference.
Yes, small problem, mommy can help. Big problem, call 911.
Did you practice with him?
Yes, many times. We practiced like a game.
A game?
I ask questions. Is this an emergency? Is that an emergency? He says yes or no.
That sounds fun.
It is. He likes it, and he remembers better.
What about if you're hurt? If you can't help?
That's very important. I practice that too.
How?
I pretended. I lay on the floor. I closed my eyes. I said, David, mommy fell down. I'm not waking up. What do you do?
Did he know?
Now he does, but we practiced many times.
How many times?
Maybe 20 times. Maybe 30 times.
Wow, that's a lot.
Yes, but now he knows that if I fall and there's no reaction, he'll call 911.
That's good. But how? How does he make the call?
I taught him step by step.
What steps?
First, I showed him my phone. I showed him the emergency button.
Emergency button?
Yes, most phones have a special button. You don't need the password.
Really?
Yes, on the locked screen, there's a button. It says emergency. You can call 911 without unlocking the phone.
I didn't know that.
It's important. Children can call even without the password.
That's very good. What's the next step?
Then I taught him what to say.
What should he say?
3 things: his name, our address, and what the problem is.
Does he know your address?
Yes, I taught him. We practice like a psalm.
A song?
Yes, we said it with music. 123 Maple Street, Springfield, Illinois. Like a song.
That's smart. Children remember songs.
Exactly. We sang it every day. In the car, at dinner, anytime.
How long did it take?
About 2 weeks. Now he knows it perfectly.
I need to teach Emma our address.
Yes, start now. Even if she's 2, sing it every day.
I will. What about phone numbers?
I taught him my phone number too, and our home phone number.
He memorized all that?
Yes, but it took time. We practiced every day.
Every day?
Yes, just 5 minutes a day. That's enough.
Okay, so he knows the address and phone numbers. What else?
I taught him the words to say. The exact words.
What words?
He says, my name is David Lee. My mommy fell down. She's not waking up. I'm at 123 Maple Street, Springfield, Illinois.
He can say all that?
Yes, but we practiced many times.
How did you practice?
I pretended to be the 911 person. I said, 911, what's your emergency? Then David answered.
Like a game?
Yes, like acting. He liked it. We did it many times.
What else should children know?
They should stay on the phone. Don't hang up.
Why?
The 911 person might ask more questions.
Like what?
Like, where is your door? Or, can you open the door?
So the 911 person can help them?
Yes. The 911 person will talk to the child until help comes.
That's good.
I also told David, stay with mommy. Don't go away. Stay close.
Stay with the hurt person.
Yes, and keep talking on the phone.
What if a child is too scared to talk?
That's okay. Help will still come.
Really?
Yes, the phone has GPS. The 911 people can see where you are.
Even if you don't talk?
Yes, even if you say nothing, they will come.
Oh, that's why the police came to my house. Emma didn't talk, but they still came.
Exactly. They have to check every 911 call, even silent calls.
Now I understand.
That's why children can't play with phones. Every call brings the police.
It takes them away from real emergencies.
Right.
I feel so bad about yesterday.
Don't feel bad. Many parents have this problem.
Really?
Yes, it happens a lot. You're not the only one.
That makes me feel better.
The important thing is to keep your phone away from Emma now.
Yes, I need to be more careful.
Change your password. Make it harder.
Emma saw my old password. She watches everything.
Kids are smart. Use a different password or use your fingerprint.
Good idea.
And put your phone up high, on a shelf, not on the table.
I will. No more phone playing for Emma.
Good. When she's 3, you can start teaching her about 911.
I'll use your ideas. The song for the address, the practice calls, everything.
It works. Just be patient. It takes time.
How much time?
Maybe a month, maybe 2 months. Practice a little every day.
Okay, I can do that.
Oh, one more thing.
What?
911 is only for America.
What do you mean?
Other countries have different numbers.
Different numbers.
Yes, in Europe, it's 112. In England, it's 999. In Australia, it's 000.
Oh, every country is different.
Yes, if you travel, you need to know the number for that country.
We don't travel much, but that's good to know.
Does Emma go to school?
Not yet. My mother takes care of her.
When she goes to preschool, they'll teach her about 911 too.
Really?
Yes, police officers or firefighters come to schools. They teach children about safety.
That's helpful.
They teach about fires, about 911, about safety.
What about fires?
They teach stop, drop, and roll.
What's that?
If your clothes are on fire, you stop. Then you drop to the ground. Then you roll.
Roll on the ground?
Yes, rolling puts out the fire.
I never learned that.
It's very common in America. All children learn it.
I need to learn it too.
Yes, then you can teach Emma.
Being a parent is hard. So many things to learn.
I know, but you're doing great.
Thank you. I feel much better after talking to you.
I'm happy I could help.
You gave me so many good ideas. Teach the address like a song. Practice with a toy phone. Give clear examples.
Yes, those 3 things are most important.
I'll start when Emma is 3.
Perfect. And remember, practice a little every day.
Every day. Got it?
Don't worry. Emma will learn. All children learn.
I hope so.
She will. You're a good mom.
Thank you, Sarah. You're a good friend.
Anytime. Want more coffee?
Yes, please.
Let me get it.
You know what's funny?
What?
When Emma is a teenager, I can tell her this story.
That's true. You can say, remember when you called the police when you were 2?
She'll be so embarrassed.
All kids are embarrassed by their parents.
I can't wait.
It'll be a good story.
For now, I just need to keep my phone away from her.
Yes, that's step 1.
Step 1, hide the phone. Step 2, teach her about 911 when she's 3.
Perfect plan.
Thanks again, Sarah.
You're welcome. Okay, let's review what we learned today. First, vocabulary. Emergency, a very serious problem. Someone needs help right now. 911, the emergency phone number in America. In other countries, the number is different. To call, to make a phone call, to use the phone to talk to someone. Hurt, injured, when your body has pain or damage. Fire, when something is burning, hot and dangerous. Address, where you live, your home location. Bleeding, when blood comes out of your body. Stranger, a person you don't know. To practice, to do something many times to learn it. Password, the secret code to unlock your phone. Now, the important lessons. Lesson 1. Wait until your child is 3 years old. 2 is too young. Lesson 2. Use simple, clear examples. Say, if mommy falls down, or if you see fire. Lesson 3. Teach 3 main emergencies. Someone badly hurt, a fire, a dangerous stranger. Lesson 4. Show the difference. Small cut, mommy can help. Big bleeding? Call 911. Lesson 5. Teach your address like a song. Make it fun. Sing it every day. Lesson 6. Practice with a toy phone. Never use a real phone to practice. Lesson 7. Teach 3 things to say. Your name, your address, what the problem is. Lesson 8. Stay on the phone. Don't hang up. The 911 person will help you. Lesson 9. Stay with the hurt person. Don't go away. Lesson 10. Keep phones away from very young children. Change your password. Put the phone up high. Important phrases to practice. This is an emergency. I need help. My name is. My address is. Please send help. My mommy fell down. There's a fire. Also practice asking your child, is this an emergency? What would you do? What's our address? Remember, teaching children about 911 takes time. Maybe 1 month, maybe 2 months. Practice every day. 5 minutes is enough. Make it fun. Use games. Use songs. Don't make it scary. And if your child calls 911 by accident, don't worry. Many parents have this problem. The police understand. Just say sorry and learn from it. Teaching your child about 911 is very important. It could save a life. Thanks for joining me today. Please subscribe if this helped you. See you next time.